Hi, I'm Ray Stanton, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the Slideways Cube puzzle. This was my exchange puzzle in the International Puzzle Party in Ottawa, Canada this year. It's my original design and it was fabricated by the New Pelican Workshop in the Czech Republic. At the time of this filming, there's still a few of these puzzles available on their website. The website is pelicanpuzzles.eu, and Pelican is spelled with a K, P-E-L-I-K-A-N. Okay, since the puzzle came out, quite a few people have asked me, well, how do you solve the thing? Turns out it's quite difficult to solve, and it's hard to explain how to do it. You have to show somebody, and that's why I'm making this video. Okay, the first hint you can get comes from the name. It's called the Slideways Cube, because it was evolved from the Slideways Burr puzzle. The Slideways Burr puzzle is a three-piece coordinated motion puzzle. Coordinated motion means that all the pieces have to move together in a coordinated motion. You can't install one and then install the next one. They all have to go together. As you might guess, the Slideways Cube works on the same principle. It's a three-piece coordinated motion puzzle. There's only three pieces, but it's still hard to figure out how to move it in a coordinated motion. You cannot just go pushing here and there and expect it to actually open. So how do you do it? The first thing you can do is study the faces. You look for the pieces that are less broken and have more solid pieces to them. If you look carefully, you can see some joints are glue joints and some joints could separate. But it's hard to see because it was made very precisely by the Pelican guys. They did really nice work. Anyway, so for purpose of the video, I'm going to crack this open so you can see it on the video. And you can see this particular side is pretty solid. It's only missing these two pieces here. If you look on the other side, you can see they're broken up quite a bit. A lot more going on. So you look for this type of a side, and then you can assume they're the ones that are going to pull away from the center. One's going to pull away on the x-axis, one's going to pull away on the y-axis, and one on the z-axis. So with those hints, I'm going to suggest pause the video here, give it a try, and if you still can't solve it, come back, restart the video, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to actually solve the puzzle. The first thing you have to do is get the cube oriented correctly, and you do that by studying the surfaces. First thing you'll notice is 4 of the sides have 3 squares showing. 1, 2, 3, and they're all in a right angle L shape. 2 of them point to the right, just like this does here. 2 of them point to the left. You don't want the ones, when they're oriented like this, with one piece across the bottom, they point to the left. You do not want the ones that point to the left. There's two other sides, which are broken up much more. They have 5 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't want those either. This one's 5. You want to look for the L shape. That's the wrong one because it's pointing to the left. This one's pointing to the left. And this one is pointing to the right. So you want to start with that in this position. And there are 2 of them on opposite side, one on this side and one on this side. And you can learn which is the correct one to do. But what I do is I just try them. And if it doesn't work, you've got the wrong one, you switch it over to the other. So here's how you put the pressure on to open up. Put your thumb right there, your finger right there, your thumb right there, and your finger right there, and squeeze. If nothing happens, you've got the wrong one. Flip it over, reorient it like this, L pointing to the right. Put your thumb right there, your finger right there, your thumb right there, your finger right there, and squeeze. It comes right apart. There's the motion. It's kind of an interesting motion. Very unusual, and it's kind of fun to watch. When you want to push it back together, you push on the outside 3 pieces. There's an outside piece, which is the unbroken up piece I was talking about earlier. So you push on those outside pieces and it slides right back together, forming the cube. Now, if you push on it far enough, it will eventually come all the way apart. So there, I'm taking it further and further until it finally separates into the three pieces. There's only three pieces. And there's only 2 or 3 logical ways they can possibly go together. So I'm going to leave that up to the puzzler to figure out how to do that. Hopefully this has been helpful. Have fun trying to solve it, and thanks for watching.